Inflation will be in focus again this week, but this time ahead of the Bank of Canada's decision on interest rates. We'll see if consumer prices accelerated last month after a surprise jump in August. Forecasts for September's annual Consumer Price Index, set to be released on Tuesday, appear to be mixed. Some economists predict inflation eased below the 4% mark hit in August, while others call for a rise to 4.5%. August's increase was the quickest pace recorded since April. But overall, the sentiment is that inflation will ease in Q4, according to a recent Bloomberg poll. In terms of what this means for the Bank of Canada's decision on interest rates next week, markets think it's unlikely there will be a move. In fact, the odds of another rate hike this year are low, but we'll have to wait and see if that changes once inflation data are out. Heading into the last few months of the year, this could be a good time to touch base with clients before the holiday season to make sure any changes that need to be implemented for portfolios for 2023 are addressed, including tax loss harvesting. It's a busy week in U.S. earnings with many key companies reporting. We'll focus on the remaining big banks releasing Q3 results. Bank of America and Goldman Sachs report on Tuesday, followed by Morgan Stanley on Wednesday. Bank of America's trading is expected to grow by low single digits from the same period last year because of its guidance in September. Its benefit from higher interest rates is expected to moderate for the rest of 2023 on deposit pricing and loan risk. Loss provisions could also be a big factor. Goldman Sachs could be weighed down by strong comparisons from a year ago. Still, its move to alternative asset management, a fee-based model, and exiting businesses should help future earnings. Trading is still the biggest driver of revenue, but expanding wealth and asset management business are boosting fees. Cost-cutting will be key for returns. Morgan Stanley's tilt to wealth and asset management has helped profitability, but it's still affected by tough markets. Earnings are expected to decline, but the bank still has excess capital after big acquisitions, and its dividend payout ratio is high among peers. That's Advisor Lookahead for this week. For more news and information, check out globeadvisor.ca